Good morning, everyone. This is Vishakha. Welcome to Crypto TV. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies trade mixed. Bitcoin hovers near $23,000. Bitcoin miner KuCoin raises $100 million equity financing amid bear market. Crypto exchange KuCoin raises $10 million for expansion. Crypto exchange Hashflow raises $25 million at $400 million valuation. US SEC terms 9 cryptocurrencies as securities in insider trading case. Spanish exchange Bit2Me buys Peruvian crypto exchange. Premint to return $500,000 in Ethereum to NFT hack victims. Metaverse and Web3 platforms launch Open Metaverse Alliance. Cryptocurrencies traded mixed Friday as investors continue to absorb the aftershocks of Tesla's decision to sell 75% of its Bitcoin stash valued at $936 million, and as they waited for the market rates to align after European Central Bank hiked its key rate by 50 basis points, the first hike in over a decade. US stocks rose on Thursday with the tech-heavy Nasdaq climbing 1.3%. While the S&P 500 increased almost a percentage point. Stocks have steadied lately amid better-than-expected earnings reports from a number of major brands, most recently Tesla and Netflix. Investors were also encouraged by reports that the US Federal Reserve would raise the interest rate by 75 basis points instead of opting for a more robust 100-point hike, which could push the economy into a recession. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization was recently trading at about $23,100, down nearly half percentage point over the past 24 hours. The second consecutive daily decline following an early week rally weighed by Tesla CEO Elon Musk's move to offload a major part of the company's Bitcoin holding and his own influence over cryptocurrencies. Ether, the second largest crypto by market cap, was trading $1,570, up more than 3% over the same period. Other major altcoins traded higher, with Cosmos, Atom and Polygon's Matic climbing more than 8%. KuCoin, the biggest Bitcoin miner by hash rate, has signed an agreement with investment bank B. Riley to sell up to $100 million of shares to the bank over 2 years to boost liquidity. The deal comes at a time when crypto markets are down and publicly traded mining company shares, including KuCoin, have fallen between 50 to 80% during the year. KuCoin has the right but no obligation to issue these new shares. The company plans to use the funding to strengthen its balance sheet and help the miner expand, Mike Levitt, CEO, KuCoin, said in the statement. Core has been raising funds by selling a part of its bitcoins it has been mining. Last month, it sold 7,202 bitcoins at an average price of $23,000 to raise about $167 million. Crypto exchange KuCoin has raised over $10 million in a strategic investment from Susquehanna International Group, according to reports. KuCoin will use the funds to upgrade infrastructure and release more products. The additional funds will also help KuCoin's global expansion and hiring plans. The firm had more than 300 job openings as of today. KuCoin and Susquehanna will also work together to help incubate and build networks for crypto startups, especially for projects built on the KCC chain, the blockchain network backed by KuCoin. The latest funding comes following KuCoin's $150 million funding raise led by Jump Crypto in May at a valuation of $10 billion. Hashflow, a San Francisco-based decentralized finance trading platform founded in 2021, has raised $25 million in its latest round of funding, a higher valuation of $400 million. The funds will be utilized to hire more people and launch structured products later this year. Jump Crypto, Wintermute, GSR, Leisure Prime, QCP, Autonomy, Dragonfly Capital, Electric Capital, and the venture capital arms of cryptocurrency exchanges Coinbase and Kraken were among those who participated in the round. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has declared 9 digital tokens as securities as part of its ongoing practice of crypto oversight. The declaration was part of a complaint filed by the securities regulator alleging a former Coinbase product manager engaged in insider trading by giving his brother and a friend tips on which assets the exchange planned to list in the near future. The tokens identified as securities including Flexas, AMP, RLY, DDX, XYO, RGT, LCX, POWR, DFX, and KROM. This is the first time that the securities regulator has identified several cryptocurrencies as securities, however, without changing the issuer. Bit2Me, the largest Spanish crypto exchange, has acquired a majority stake in the Peruvian pair Flues. The purchase of the 85% stake was more than 1 million euros, Bit2Me Chief Operating Officer Andre Manuel told a local publication. Flues, operational as of March 2021, will continue being led by Luis Eduardo Berospi, its co-founder and CEO. Bit2Me CEO also disclosed that it was in talks to acquire an exchange in Chile and eyeing exchanges in Latin America countries such as Colombia and Uruguay. Premint, the NFT registration site, was hacked over the weekend and saw over 300 NFTs taken from users' wallets, said that it intended to reimburse the victims of the hack. Premint CEO Brendan Mulligan revealed in a live-streamed incident update that the company, in partnership with a third-party non-Premint employee, did on-chain analysis this week to generate a list of all NFTs stolen during Sunday's breach. Every associated crypto wallet on that list will get an Ethereum reimbursement this week equal to the collection floor price of each stolen NFT. Mulligan indicated that Premint will reimburse duped customers with around 340 ethers or slightly more than $525,000. Mulligan also stated that Premint had acquired wallet authentication tool Vulcan, demonstrating the company's long-term commitment to customer security. More information about the collaboration will be released next week, according to Mulligan. Metaverse and Web3 platforms have decided to create an open Metaverse alliance for Web3 to overcome the interoperability issues of the crypto industry. Transparency, inclusiveness, decentralization, and democratization are the 4 core principles of the alliance. Alien Worlds, Animica Brands, Dapper Labs, Space, Superworld, The Sandbox, Upland, and Voxel form the joint entity. OMA3 will be established as a decentralized autonomous organization to ensure a transparent and user-centric government system. It will focus on specific metaverse-related topics such as standards for non-fungible tokens, protocols, transferable identity, portals between virtual worlds, mapping, and indexing. The announcement promises to disclose further details of the OMA3's outline during the Global NFT Summit in London on July 22. That's all in the news today. Have a great day. This is me, Vishakha, signing off.